Oh Leute, hier ist wieder der Duzen. Oh ja. Und zwar mit dem absoluten Mindfucker der Stanley Parable. Und nachdem wir dieses, ja, schon ganz okay Ende vorhin gerade hatten, war ein bisschen lustig, so ein bisschen, hat der Typ sich entschieden, das Spiel zu resetten. Dann stehen wir wieder hier. Juhu. Na gut. Dann suchen wir halt ein neues. Dann könnte ich jetzt versuchen, durch die blaue Tür zu gehen. Yay!
All of his co-workers were gone. What could it mean? Stanley decided to go to the meeting room. Perhaps he had simply missed a memo.
Natürlich hat er das. I hate Mondays. Ja, wer tut das nicht?
When Stanley... Wait.
Ah!
Wait, what? No, I restarted. I swear I definitely restarted the game over. Completely fresh. Everything should be... Or did something change? Stanley, did you change anything when we were back in that room with all the monitors? Did you move the story somewhere or... Hold on. Why am I asking you? I'm the one who wrote the story. It was right here just a minute ago. I know for sure that it's here somewhere. Okay, then. It's an adventure. Come, Stanley. Let's find the story.
Okay. Ja, scheinbar war das vorhin das Ending, was ich dachte, es wäre ein Ending. Doch kein Ending. Mysteriös. Na gut, dann. Ja, geh ich mal. Boah, das Spiel muss scheiß viele Enden haben. Leck mir am Arsch. Auf jedem Weg ist da noch was Einzelnes passiert. Also da, kann ich halt nicht lang.
I'll say it. This is the worst adventure I've ever been on.
Ja,
I can promise you, there definitely was a story here before. Do we need to restart the game again?
Was? Nein, ich gehe schon.
Unlikely that we'll ever progress by starting over and over again, but it's got to be better than this. Okay, let's give it a shot. Why not?
Hey! Oh, come on! Okay. Oh, cool. Aber ich habe irgendwie das Gefühl, dass das diesmal auch nicht wirklich ein Ende war. Deswegen werde ich jetzt einfach nochmal weitergehen. Mal sehen, was da passiert.
What could it mean? Stanley decided to go to the meeting room. Perhaps he had simply missed a memo.
Du.
Okay, yep.
Okay.
I might be remembering this wrong. It's possible the story is back where we just came from. Why don't we go back the other direction and see if we missed anything?
Alles klar, auf geht's. Oder so. Ja. Juhu. Oh.
Aha! I knew we'd miss something. The story.
The story! Aha! Gut, dann halt ihr lang. Und so.
No, wait. Never mind. Not the story. Okay, let's head back the other way and retrace our steps.
Wirklich? Du. Okay. Ich habe das Gefühl, wir sind hier auf dem Holzweg.
Now this... Well, I'll be honest, I don't recognize this place at all. Is this the story? I don't think so. I can't quite recall, but I believe my story took place in an office building. Is that correct? Do you remember, Stanley? Well, do you know what? Since I've completely forgotten what we were supposed to be doing, how about this? You win!
Yay!
Congratulations!
Woohoo!
I know you put in a lot of hard work, and it really paid off, so good job.
Thank you!
Oh, no.
Huh?
No, I don't feel right about this at all. We both know you didn't put in any actual work for that win. Some people win fair and square, and this was not one of those situations. Okay, I'm getting weirded out by whatever this place is. I don't care what might happen this time. I have to restart.
Yeah!
All right, I've got a solution. This time, to make sure we don't get lost, I've employed the help of the Stanley Parable Adventure Line.
Adventure
The
Line!
line. How simple is that?
Wow! Wow! Das ist... Ja, sowas habe ich schon mal gesehen. In Call of Duty, glaube ich. Ja, da gibt's sowas auch. Die Call of Duty Adventure Line! Die da lang geht. Ich frage mich, was jetzt passiert, wenn ich da lang gehe. Ich habe eine Idee. Ich speichere das Spiel hier. Genau. Und dann mache ich das Ende jetzt. Oder was auch immer da passiert. Und dann gehe ich da lang. Ideen! Ich habe viele davon. Yay!
No, I'm down. We're leaving it up to the line from now on.
Okay. Immer schön allein nach, hä? Oh. Solitär. Oh, weg da! Ich will Solitär spielen! Ja schon!
You see? The line knows where the story is. It's over in this direction. Onward, Stanley, to destiny.
To destiny!
Here's a thought. Wouldn't wherever we end up be our destination, even if there's no story there? Or to put it another way, is the story of no destination still a story? Simply by the act of moving forward, are we implying a journey such that a destination is inevitably conjured into being via the very manifestation of the nature of life itself? Okay, Stanley, I need to follow this train of thought for a minute. Just stick with me. Now, we can both agree that the nature of existence is in fact a byproduct of one's subjective experience of that existence, right? Okay.
Okay. Sekunde. Ich werde jetzt das Spiel nochmal speichern und dann gehe ich wieder nicht den Weg, den er will. Ich habe nämlich hier Maro gemacht, dass wir nicht machen, was er will. Das viel cooler ist, ja.
Now, if my experience of your existence rests inside of your subjective experience of this office, is this office in fact the skeleton of my own relative experiential mental subjective construct? Whoa. That got a bit weird back there. Well, I'd like to apologize. Not sure where I was going with all that. You know what? I think what we need right now is a bit of music to lighten the mood.
Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Da 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 da! Yay! Okay, Sekunde. What the? Okay. WTF, Mann! My bro! Okay. Oh, what the fuck, Mann, ich krieg Kopfweh. Gut, dass mir die Musik dabei hilft.
Wait, cut the music, go back and look at that fern.
Was?
Stanley, this fern will be very important later in the story.
Was für ein
Make
Farn?
sure you
Was ist ein
study
Farn?
it closely and remember it carefully. You won't want to miss anything.
Was soll jetzt ein Fahren? Ein Fahren lassen? Ja. Ist das ein Fahren? Keine Ahnung. Soll ich das auch wissen, was ein Fahren ist?
Wait, what? We're back at the office? No. Line, you do know we're looking for the Stanley Parable, right? The story? Is any of this ringing a bell?
Oh, Line! Why? Ich frag mich, ob ich jetzt wieder zurück in mein Büro gehen könnte. Oh. Ah ja, okay. Gut. Kann ich da auch noch mal lang gehen? Mal sehen, bin ich gespannt. Ich bin neugierig. Ich bin ja so neugierig.
Still missing the doors. Did we make a mistake following the line? Perhaps we could have found the story on our own.
Bestimmt. Wie soll das, wenn du mal alles neu startest, Alter? Na gut, der Line hinterher, bevor ich noch... Gut. Ich folge der Line.
Oh, no, not again. Line, how could you have done this to us? And after we trusted you, after everything we've been through, you... Oh, I can't take this anymore. To hell with it. Restart.
Wirklich? Okay. Kurzer Cut hier.